Welcome back to my channel. I'm with my mom today, and we're gonna build a train with gingerbread. And we've already got houses, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.
Alright, so we're gonna show you everything that we have.
And it took a long time to get ready.
To figure out what piece was what. These are the engine pieces. And then we have the wheels.
Of course.
Here's a picture of what we're trying to build. Good luck. So Zachary's been needing this packet for
about like 5,000 years.
more like 2 minutes. Oh yeah, those are the Christmas trees that go in the caboose.
And we're gonna have like 2 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2.
So this is a different kind of gingerbread thing. It actually comes with a create a treat tray. Supposed to make it easier for you to build a gingerbread house.
Yeah.
Or train. Zach wasn't feeling too well this morning, so he's not at school. And Mommy's still in her PJs. Alright, so
and we had a little disaster today.
Oh yeah, we did. You talking about this?
Yes. We should. That's what we're talking about.
This. Our elf put toilet paper all over our tree. And he even left us a note that says, "Doesn't this look great?" I mean, it looks okay. Great might be a stretch. Okay, so we're going to get this camera set back up.
Ah!
And we're going to get to designing. So the first thing we have to do is we massage this to get it a little softer. You have to take this cap off.
Sorry, my chair is in the way.
And yeah. Really, we're trying to figure out what we're doing too. So just
and look at the package.
Cut this off.
It's look destroyed.
I don't think that's far enough.
Should we get a trash can or something?
Oh, we got one right here.
And she's getting it open, and I really need to use the bathroom. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye.
Okay, so I guess I'm on my own. First thing we're gonna do is build the caboose. And we have these pieces here. This is the short pieces are the front and the back. This tray is supposed to help them stand up. Ah! Yeah, so much for that. And these pieces are the sides.
I'm back!
Really, you just made everything fall down. Oh! Okay, so we're going to take this.
And we're also going to have a part 2.
Yeah, we're going to do part 2 tonight, guys, because we found out it really is best to follow instructions and actually let these gingerbread houses or trains, whatever you're doing, dry before you try to decorate them.
Because last year we did it and we didn't do a video of it, but
they fell apart.
They fell apart because we did them both at one time.
Because we were both so impatient.
Yeah, we were so impatient.
All right, so here's the way we have it. Icing on the outside.
I'm going to go get the houses. Never mind.
I will show them the houses before it's over with, but not yet. All right, and we're doing,
why is
on the side,
tissue?
we're doing icing again.
Why is there a tissue?
Throw that in the trash.
Ouch. There's 2. And while she's doing that, nothing.
Okay, so this is a piece that goes on the end.
Okay. 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 Okay, yeah?
Okay.
Why does it
Here's
say
the other
build?
side piece.
Why does it say build tray?
Because it's to help you build it. See, it's helping the pieces stand up.
Mmm.
Ah! So if you have any hanging off, you can just get on your finger and there.
Yeah, because it's basically candy. Subscribe.
It's not nice to whisper in front of the camera.
If you haven't subscribed, do it right now, and you can see more of our videos, and you will win something. I'm not telling y'all.
Zach actually has a couple videos on there for when he was a baby. We haven't done many videos, but he did some Hot Wheels color changers that were pretty cool, and I think him and his dad, we did a video going through the woods.
Yeah, and that was creepy.
Oh my god, this icing is so ridiculous. Okay. Not sure how this side's looking.
It's looking bad.
It's looking like it's staying together. No.
I'm about. Hey, if you haven't noticed, if we had paper right here, it's actually wrapping paper.
Yeah, it turns out really good. This is what we did last night.
Yeah, but we didn't video that because we were doing the houses. And it took about an hour. It took 2 days, and we did not do a part 2. Well, we didn't even video it, so my fault.
Not sure how well this is working.
And whenever we was doing the houses, she accidentally broke one. So now we have 3, but we were supposed to have 4. Right?
Yeah, because sometimes this gingerbread is so hard to snap apart.
What about the wood?
Okay, so now I gotta do the engine.
What does the engine look like?
Looks like this. Okay, I'm finding it easier to just do it without the tray.
Yeah, that's easier.
Okay, now I just hope I know which pieces go with what. Okay, so it says do icing on this long part.
Wait, can I tell them what the spice is?
Yeah.
I'll be back. I'm telling you what this surprise is on. Bye. I'll see you in a minute. Bye.
So it has you just doing the sides of the engine. So I think this is the front.
If y'all subscribe, y'all can get a free Santa thing. Santa bowl.
Oh, sweet.
If y'all subscribe, y'all can get this. So I'm going to put it to the side. And make sure you do, because you want to get one of them bowls.
Zach, you think you can hold that for me?
Yes, this is probably going to be our video, y'all. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Because it's about to be 10 minutes.
And then... I don't know which piece goes on the back. I think it's this one. Well, I've been taking... When the edges look jagged like this, I've been taking the scissors and trying to shape them up a little bit. Just trying to...
And you can do that over the trash can. It's gonna get real messy here in a second. Can I let go of this?
No, not yet. We're about to put this last piece on.
No. Oh, wait, what?
Okay,
what?
now let go.
It looks kind of like a sewer.
So then you kind of have to hold it in place a few minutes.
Yeah. And there's also another surprise if you subscribe at part 2. Here it is. You can win a free Xbox game. Whoever subscribes first, and you should have an Xbox 360 for this game. Except for I have an Xbox One. It's Lego Batman 2 DC Super Heat Xbox 360. If you subscribe on part 2, you can get that. But we're not on part 2 yet. What was that noise?
I think you got a notification.
Oh.
Okay, so we have this part of the train built. I really hope it's right.
I know. It looks so weird.
It does look weird. I'm
pretty
thinking
sure
something might be wrong. Nope, this is the top.
So
this goes on the top. Okay.
What? When are we going to use this?
Okay, we'll use that in the next video when we decorate.
No. Which is probably going to be on the same day. Maybe. Right, Mom?
Place a small piece on the lower part of the front. Add a larger piece to the roof.
You can also get a...
Trying to figure out where this goes. Maybe right here. Oh, yeah, right there. Do you want to do any of the icing?
Yeah. No.
This is actually
Turning
a lot
out
harder
very
than
well.
the icing that I was doing last night. It's hard to get it out.
Wait, what? If you haven't noticed, I have an Xbox One and it's an S. Because it's behind the camera. We also play a bunch of games too, right?
Oh, yeah. We love bugs in the kitchen, but unfortunately our bug died.
Yeah, so we have to get new batteries for it. But we do have Twister, that's a good thing. Game, not thing. Game.
Okay, be careful. Okay.
That does not look like a train to me.
Well, it will once you get the wheels on there.
It's about too big.
Okay, so unfortunately, I think this is all for part 1. No. Hold on. We forgot the cow catcher on the train. It's on the
Part 2 will
front.
be in a second. Part 2 will probably be at 9 o'clock. Right?
Well, it's already 10 o'clock.
What time?
Probably after I get home from work. So probably like 7 o'clock.
I know.
Maybe 6.
If you haven't noticed, I talk weird.
Why do you talk weird? I'm just adding some extra icing because I'm not sure it's holding together very well.
Me neither.
Okay, now I have to figure out how to do this cow catcher.
Why do you have Jack Mountain Dew?
Because I was thirsty. Why do you have a water under here? Oh, you don't.
It's over there. This is gonna be about like 20 minutes long.
Oh my god, and the front part of the train is literally falling apart.
Yes, so we might have to restart the video. Just joking.
Back looks really good though. Except this whole train is extremely crooked.
When are we gonna put this in?
Don't be touching things. Okay. So this is the last part of this video, and we'll come back and decorate later. Peace out.
No! The houses!
We'll show you those in a different video.
No!
Okay, take them over there and show them the houses.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay.
There's one house. There's another house. There's another house.